Does tongue scraper helps prevent tooth decay? The mouth contains 50 to 100 billion bacteria, with a large proportion residing on the tongue in layers that are glued on and cannot be rinsed off with water but must be brushed or scraped off, though only about half of people clean their tongues. Research on tongue cleaning shows mixed but generally positive results. One study of 30 people found that tongue cleaning reduced bacteria on the tongue itself but had no immediate effect on dental plaque formation, while another study of 60 men demonstrated that scraping the tongue twice daily for a week significantly reduced levels of Streptococcus mutans, a primary tooth decay-causing bacterium in saliva, potentially preventing cavities. Additionally, since bacterial layers on the tongue are the main cause of bad breath, studies confirm that regular tongue brushing can effectively reduce mouth odor, suggesting that tongue cleaning offers clear benefits for oral hygiene despite mixed effects on dental plaque. Please follow or subscribe for more content.